Hello, Cambly learners, and welcome. My name is Justin, and I am a tutor on Cambly Kids. Today, we are going to have some fun. We will also be practicing our directions. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, friends, let's get started. Directions are important because they allow us to say where things are. Like, for instance, do you know the sun? Yeah, I think you know the sun. Now, do we look up at the sun, up, or do we look down at the sun, down? If you said we look up at the sun, you are correct. We look up at the sun. Now, do you have feet? Yeah, I think you have feet. Now, do we look up at our feet or do we look down at our feet? Now, if you said we look down at our feet, you are correct. So we have up and we have down. We have up and we have down. Okay, learners, let's continue. Great job so far. Okay, now we will learn our left and our right. This is important because it allows us to say which side things are on. So I have two items here. Now, the game is on the left. Can you say the game is on the left? Good job. Now the book is on the right. The book is on the right. So now I will ask you, where is the game? If you said the game is on the left, you are correct. Good job. Let's try again. Where is the book? Where is the book? Is the book on the left or is the book on the right? If you said the book is on the right, you are correct. The book is on the right. Wow, you're getting these directions. We've learned up, we've learned down, and now we've learned left and right. Left and right. Wow, Cambly learners, great job today. Are you having fun? I'm having fun. So let's continue. You did so well, I want to play a game with you. So I have a USB here. A USB. And I want you to guess which hand the USB is in using the directions we learned today. Ooh. All right. So first, let's do up and let's do down. Okay? So this hand is up and this hand is down. Where do you think the USB is? Up or down? Oh. If you guessed the hand that's up, you are correct. Now we'll do left and right. All right. Ooh. Here we go. This hand is on the left and this hand is on the right. So where do you think the USB is? Is it in the hand on the left or in the hand on the right? Oh, if you guessed the hand on the right, you are correct. The USB is in the hand on the right. Wow! Great job, Cambly learners. You should be so proud of yourselves. I hope you had fun today. I had a lot of fun. Now, before we go, allow me to remind you. For those unfamiliar with Cambly Kids gives you instant access to many amazing native speaking, kid friendly tutors such as myself. So if you are interested in booking your own lesson, please tell your parents they can do so by clicking the link below. Now, thank you again for spending your time with us today, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Thanks again. Bye.